Thanks to Jason at Magnolia Tire Pros and Auto Service for the professional installation of our SENSEN shocks and struts. We always recommend you go to a professional for this type of repair. Today we will be replacing a set of rear struts on a 2000 Chrysler Cirrus. This set fits the 1995 to 2000 Chrysler Cirrus, the 1996 to 2006 Chrysler Sebring, the 1995 to 2006 Dodge Stratus, and the 1996 to 2000 Plymouth Breeze. We recommend using SENSEN brand when replacing your worn-out shocks and struts. SENSEN shocks and struts come with a limited lifetime warranty. They are benchmark tested against industry leaders for quality and designed to meet or exceed original equipment specifications. SENSEN has been manufacturing shocks and struts since 1985. Their shocks and struts use Japanese NOK seals for superior leak resistance and come with a premium powder-coated finish to provide a long-lasting corrosion and rust protection. The SENSEN brand is where quality meets affordability. Some of the tools needed for this installation include an 8mm socket, a 15mm socket, and an 18mm socket and wrench. You will also need a hammer or a mallet.
The 8mm holding the brake line. But you see if you can't get a socket directly on it. 15. You have a problem with getting this bolt all the way out. Now you are hitting this, so this will have to come off. Is the rear tie rod adjustment for alignment. And that's going to be an 18. And it does have a nut on the back side. Which is also an 18. Right, the rear is all done. So now we have to lower the vehicle and find out where the strut bolts at, inside the trunk or in behind the back seat. Looks like it's going to be 15mm. Sure. A lot easier to have two people when you do this. Hold on. Yeah. Close?
Yep.
Just let it up a little bit. Hand me a hammer. Just like that. Both 18s. This one over board, yeah, just like those 8mm brackets. The large brick line bracket. All kinds of bullshit. The repossession I had to figure. Oh, that thing was sitting back there. Repair.
This concludes our rear strut installation on a 2000 Chrysler Cirrus. Be sure to watch for our front strut installation for this vehicle. We've also installed a front set of SPEEDY Strut complete strut assemblies on this vehicle, so you'll want to check that out and see how much quicker and safer they are to install. Thanks for watching, and thanks to Magnolia Tire Pros and Auto Service for their professional installation.